So on that time, everything was offline. There is no online source available on that time. That's why. Actually, we were taking offline classes. There is no source available on time. Right now, there are so many platforms. So you can enhance or brush up your communication skill easily. Not communication skill, you can go for any, if you have any vision or if you have any dream, you can go for it easily. You can, as a homemaker, if you want to do something else for yourself at home, you can do it easily. Although you have, like, don't have so much time for yourself, but you can take out at least 1 hour 2 hour for yourself for completing or fulfilling your desires or vision.
Exactly. Now, like I didn't have any idea like back then what was the situation, but at the time I was not matured enough. Like I was not using any kind of mobile and all. Like I didn't have any mobile application, so I didn't have any idea like what was the situation. So if you were, I mean, like last 8 years, I've been using mobile phone, smartphone, so I know that much. Okay, so now the when it comes to study, so it has been completely changed. Now. So now AI. You know very well. I hope you know about AI,
Mm-hmm.
artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
So it's a taking place. So I mean, do your childrens learn something from AI? Do your childrens use AI any tool?
Actually, my younger one is very tiny, so he always used to see like cartoons and at all. And if I'm talking about my elder one, there is the same scene. He always want to see like cartoons and video games. They are not using AI and ChatGPT in productive manner.
Okay.
They are
So
taking it for granted. Actually,
okay, so no, it's they are not. I mean, he is not using in a right way. Like he's maybe we can say he's wasting time watching cartoons and all,
yeah,
right?
exactly.
So is he watching in English or in Hindi language?
No, actually, they seriously feel comfortable in Hindi because they are getting same environment like we were. Because
Okay.
in our home, everyone speaks in Hindi. Only when they go to school, only that time they get environment where English is compulsory. That's why. Otherwise,
Like
they always consume content in Hindi. Sometimes I always say to him, just try to see any cartoon show in English and captions in English, but they always avoid.
okay, so you know very well about English language. What is the importance of English, and it's definitely going to help him as well. So why don't you force him, or like not force, but at least try to convince him to watch everything in English? Can't you do it?
Actually, I tried it. As a mother, I want to say a mother never give up. Yeah, a
Okay.
mother always want to best for their kids. But right now, kids are getting more chance. Like if I don't provide my phones, they always take his grandmother, grandfather, my brother-in-law phone. So they can take. They have so many options, so I
Okay.
never kept eyes every time what they are doing, what they are not, because I live in joint family. But whenever I try to convince him, they see in front of me. But whenever I am not surrounds him, they do same thing. They always try to consume whatever they want to see or whatever they want to consume.
Okay. Is he sitting right now? I mean, next to you.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. He is listening.
Yeah, definitely, he's listening to you.
Okay, I can't save it right now. Okay, it's okay. So I mean, like there is a setting in mobile that you can, turn on. Like if he uses for 5 or 10 minutes, automatically he won't be able to use any application if he's using it. So there is an option in setting. You can find it on YouTube, and you can watch any video. So he won't be able to watch any content in Hindi language if you want him not to watch Hindi content. But yeah, I would like to suggest you like just treat him about AI. Like definitely he can take advantage of AI. So whatever, like does he use anything to to learn from AI? Like suppose we don't know something, so what I do, like I just search on Google. Earlier I would use Google, but now I use AI. So AI can help a lot to your son. So I think like you should first install ChatGPT. Do you know ChatGPT?
Yeah, I know everything about ChatGPT. But first thing I would like to introduce. in this conversation. Actually, before ChatGPT, there are so many sources they have. Actually, they
Okay.
can take help to their teachers. In fact, they
Okay.
don't want to take help and they don't want to ask any question to teachers, because right now we are providing best education to our kids. They are best qualified teacher in the schools. So firstly, they are not taking help of their teachers. The second thing, their mother educated, father, mother, and like aunt, uncle, everyone is educated. My they were, I can say, my brother-in-law, he's chartered accountant, and everyone is qualified, but they are not taking anyone help. So we are
Okay.
available for them, their teachers are available for them. So I don't want to they take help of chat gpt and AI,
Okay,
because
got it.
they should prefer us, because we are available for them. Then why they should go for AI and chat gpt? Because sometimes we can see, instead of taking good things, they are consuming negative kind of thing on social media.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
ChatGPT or AI somewhere, I personally feel
Yeah,
they
same
are.
mixed of the both.
Yeah, that's why. That's why.
Yeah, it's I totally agree with you. Like I know very well that you are living with a big family and they all are educated. So I mean, like it's easy for your child to to take any kind of help from you, and you are available as well, and it's a great thing. Okay, so like, can I ask hypothetical question now?
Yeah, definitely you can go for it.
Okay. Okay, before that, like, I just you didn't mention about your location. Like, where do you come from? Like, where are you from?
I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan, Pink City, which is rich in culture and tradition, as you all know about it.
In Jaipur. Yeah, I know about Jaipur because I have few friends that who are working there, and one of the best. I mean, not best company, but yeah, we can say best Teleperformance that is available there. So they are working there in that. That's a
Have you
BPM.
ever been to Jaipur?
I haven't been there. Like I haven't visited any other city to be honest. Like I don't like traveling, so I
Oh,
just avoid always traveling.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. So I just want to ask you that, like, I ask, these questions with everyone, like, who come on my podcast or like whoever I talk to. So if you are given only 50 rupees for 25 hours, and you have to survive with that 50 rupees, how would you survive? And you don't have anything, any food right now at your home. How would you manage?
Like I am alone at home, or
Yeah. There is nobody to help you out, but you have only 50 rupees. You can go to market, you can buy anything, but with 50 rupees you have to survive for 24 hours. Can you manage it? Can you survive?
yeah, I easily can manage it because I'm a homemaker. I have so many options to survive, Uh, because if I talk about myself, I cook daily for 2 times for my family and for my kids. So I have a lot of way to survive myself. Like there are so many things available in the market. You can have Maggie as well. If you are giving
Uh,
50 rupees, it's more than. I will purchase 20 rupees Maggie. It's much sufficient for me for both times.
okay. I mean, like it's easy for you. So, like, is it like a good? I mean, two Maggie is sufficient for you.
Yeah, definitely. Both time I can survive it because I do this kind of thing whenever, and not everyone is not at home and I am at home. Only 10 rupees Maggie. I add some tomato, onion, and some peas kind of thing. Add in that and 10 rupees Maggie, and it's much sufficient for me for one time.
Okay, great. And if
So
you are given,
more
yeah,
than my expectation. Actually, you should mention 10 rupees or 5 rupees. It was perfect in this hypothetical situation.
like it's really difficult to get 50 rupees thali, food thali. So that's the reason I asked, but you told that Maggie is sufficient for you. So
Yeah, because you are dealing with a homemaker, na. That's why. If you are dealing with a like a person kind of person who are doing job, they don't have any kind of option and idea. But I deal at every time, every morning, every night, every evening. That's why.
yeah, I must have thought before asking this question that I'm talking to housewife. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. So now if you are given a 1 CR for 24
Okay.
hours, 1 CR, 1 crore rupees for
Mm-hmm.
24 hours, and you have to spend it offline. You cannot
Okay.
spend it online. You cannot spend it online, and you cannot purchase any land, you cannot purchase any stocks, you cannot purchase any big thing. You have to spend. How would you spend? Can you spend it? Is it possible for you to spend 1 CR and 24 hours, within 24 hours?
Definitely, definitely, I can spend it. So, firstly, I would like to purchase so many golds item, gold, diamond, silver for myself, because
I
as a
I told you that you cannot buy big things that is easy for you to spend. You cannot buy big things like gold, investment kind of things. You can't
okay,
invest in
it's
that.
not like investment. We wear jewelry every day. You can
But
see.
gold is something expensive, like that you can easily spend 1 CR. Like it's not a big deal. You have to go to any kind of jewelry store and you pay 1 CR. You can easily buy it in one go. But
Okay,
I want you to spend on different things. That's the reason I'm asking you that, because it's easy to invest in gold.
okay, okay, okay. So, like, if you are not giving opportunity to spend that money to myself because you have blocked all my
No,
ways.
you can spend on yourself, but you cannot, invest on land, investment or gold and kind of big things. Yeah, but you can buy clothes, any things for your home like TV and kind of stuff.
So because you have given me so much money, 1 crore, and you like blocked all the way to spend that money. So I would like to spend this money for needy people because it's
Okay.
like whenever I spend it money to them, I feel like that I spent this money for myself because it will give me like any kind of great feeling that I want to get. That's the
Okay.
way I want to spend this money.
Okay. So there is only one way that you can spend. You can donate or like you can help needy people. That's the way you can think to spend this much money amount.
That's the thing I
Okay.
did.
Okay, got it. It's a good thing, I think, if you have a kind of emotion to help people. Yeah, that's lovely. Okay, so what makes you happy?
Yeah. Whenever I do whatever I want to do, like I am fond of cooking, dancing, mehendi, henna art, SK, and there are so many things that I want to do. And whenever I feel free and whenever I get time for myself, then I always try to do the things. Like whenever I getting some first time for myself, I listen music. I love to listen music. I love traveling. There are so many
Okay.
things on my bucket list. There is endless because I am the kind of person who try to indulge myself in different kind of things actually.
Yeah, you seems to be a happy person. You always smile like that. So I can imagine as well. Okay, great. So like, what was the funniest moment of your life? Like at the time have you felt that yeah, this is something that I can't forget, from my life. What was the funniest moment of your life that you have ever experienced?
Okay, so right now I'm totally blank about it because you just listen, just ask this question to me, and I never imagined that you will just ask this question to me. That's why right now I
Okay,
am
sorry.
not able to.
Okay, it's okay. It's fine because I love to ask many questions. So in this way we can communicate. We can enhance our communication. There's a reason I asked multiple questions that nobody have ever asked to us. So there's a reason I ask.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
kind of question.
Okay, okay, I got it because I was very less time. Right now, my younger one is 2.5 year old, and actually in this 1st of July, I got him admission in the school. So when he was going to the school, my elder one saying to him, "Where are you going?" So he said to me, "I am going to get married." My younger one said, "I am going to get married." Because he don't know, he doesn't know that he is going to school. He was thinking that I am going to get married. That's the thing. Funniest thing recently I've experienced.
Okay. Okay, great. And now like the next question is that like it's a kind of critical and emotional. You can avoid answering this question, but I want to ask it because I ask every time. So when did you cry last time?
When did I cry? As a mother, whenever I get frustrated, I cried all the time. Not because sometimes you feel frustrated and swamped with kids. Then
Okay, he's saying something.
uh, he actually, what should I say?
Okay,
Today
so
Sunday,
now like yeah,
he's quite. Today Sunday, he's quite free. He's at home, So this is the best part of his duty. He always bothering me.
Okay, got it. Like now you can ask any question because I'm gonna ask five rapid fire question to you. But before that, if you want to ask any question or if you have question for me, definitely you can ask. Otherwise, we can wrap up this conversation after five rapid fire question.
Okay, you can go for it, your question, because already mentioned you that I write down totally blank because my elder one is just sit next to me and he is doing something and it's irritating. That's why you can ask me
Okay.
whatever you want.
Okay. So my first question is that what is the best piece of advice you have ever heard or received?
Actually, the piece of advice I have ever received is never give up by my mother. My mother always tell me one thing: never give up in your life. Either you are facing so many hurdles or obstacles in your life, it is part of our lives. Everyone faces, because everything is pro and cons. Everyone faces so many difficulties and so many challenges in everyone's life. So you should not give up. That's the best piece of advice I ever get from my mother.
Yeah, I also do believe in that. And okay, so the second question is that what is the worst advice you have ever heard or received?
Actually, recently I faced this kind of thing, but I really don't want to share on this platform.
Okay, it's okay. Fine. So the third question is that if you could change one law or if you could come up with new law and that you could change across the world, what would it be? And you can do it for 24 hours. Like you can change any law or you could.
Okay, so I would like to mitigate or like community boundaries. Actually, we are still differentiate between, yeah, he is belongs to Hindu, he is belong to Muslim communities and at all. So I want to remove this kind of thing and I want to mitigate that mindset that people have. There's the thing.
Yeah, that has been going on for centuries.
Yeah,
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 I also would like to remove it. Okay, but it's not going to happen. It's not in our hand.
yeah.
Okay, let it be. Okay, so the fourth question is that what is the best lesson you have ever learned from yourself?
Okay, the best lesson I have learned from myself, just follow your dreams. Sometime we didn't get whatever we wanted, but if you didn't get, just let it be. Don't overthink about it. Just live in your present and try to be whatever you want to be and follow your dreams, follow your passion, and try to